Oh, shit. In there, yeah? Right, what's in there? Yes, hello and welcome back to another vlog here on the channel. Something a little bit different. You're taking the piss out of me already. Literally seconds into the vlogs. Right, we're here at Funland in Hayling Island. Yes, back again. I've not been here all season. It's cold, but we are here for a special kind of vlog today. We're here for the Halloween event and the grand opening of Destination Zed, the new ghost train, which is premiering tonight. Really exciting.
Dave with his top-notch language.
Big word. My vocabulary is really good. Big word.
My vocabulary.
Yeah, so we're here tonight basically to bring you that. They've got a couple of scare mazes.
Halloween.
Mainly what? It's Halloween.
You can come here and do the rides whenever you want.
Yeah.
This is about Halloween.
Tonight's mainly about the Halloween.
This is Halloween.
Tonight's about the Halloween stuff
No
here.
masks
But we
tonight,
will try and do a couple of rides. Like,
I've got a mask on.
Be nice to get on the coaster, maybe in the dark.
I've come
got a
as
bit of a suntan.
Can you go over there and talk? Because I'm trying to vlog.
Is that what you're doing? Is that what he's doing?
Right. Yes, so we'll get him, do some rides, get you maybe on a couple of rides, hopefully a couple of rides, but it's mainly about the Halloween selection they have here. We'll get you in there. It's going to be absolutely rammed. It's windy, but it's dry, it's cold. Hopefully the rain stays. I think it will stay away.
Well, it's not. We can't do much about it if it starts, can we?
Right,
have to take Simon's wig off and hide underneath it.
How dare you?
I better introduce who's here. Connor's here.
I'm not here. Who told you I was here?
And Simon's here. First time me and Simon have actually been to Hayling Island together, ever, in years, like, ever.
Oh, Hayling Island friends.
Oh, friends. Right, Halloween, this is Halloween.
This is Halloween.
Have you noticed I've made my hair especially white for Halloween theme?
Yeah, it's not because of his age at all.
No.
Yeah,
not
see,
at all.
look at that, he's quite dapper,
He's in
isn't
the
he?
full. Yeah, he's in the full.
He's dressed up for it, he's
has,
dressed
isn't he?
up.
Not dressed up, I just knew
Dressed
it was
up,
going to
you
be
were.
sodding cold.
It was going to be cold, so he's popped down and...
Dapper, if I'm looking dapper, I might pop to the pub later on then.
Ladies and gentlemen, hide your grandmothers.
Oh, yes, please.
Dilf.
Adam's down there, Dave.
It's not been anywhere. It's been in there. It's been. I need a bin.
5 until 9, I think, today, the running time. So, really looking forward to this. A brand new ghost train, the UK's newest ghost train. Looks like they're opening the doors now. Yes. I don't know about filming in the mazes. God, I sound like Andy.
Yeah, what is wrong with you tonight?
I don't know about filming in the
I don't know. We can film.
We've been invited down.
I definitely haven't been invited down.
Hashtag gifted.
No, hashtag not gifted. I can confirm I paid for tickets.
Hashtag not gifted.
We did pay for
Tiny
tickets.
penis joke there.
Tiny.
This attraction is not suitable for the following: young children, people with a nervous disposition. Simon, that's you out. Persons who suffer from photosensitive epilepsy.
That's me
Hey,
out.
get that camera out my face.
Coming soon, it says. How soon?
Who's coming in soon?
It's coming soon in a week, what?
Oh.
In the next 10 minutes, hopefully.
In the next 10 minutes.
I'm going to go and speak to Matty over there.
Yeah, come on, we'll get in here.
Get the guns out.
Dave's got no balls.
Hashtag first public
Left
riders.
your balls in your purse.
First public riders. I don't think we are. I've actually known somebody who's done it, so we're definitely not the first public riders.
Yeah.
It's strictly prohibited.
Smell fresh paint. Smell. Unless that is that Dave?
You excited?
You need new underwear already.
Yeah. I think Dave does need new underwear. He's got his tighty whities on.
There's nothing in the UK like this, is there?
So where's
In
the
terms of
train
the ghost
from?
train?
Camelot. From Camelot.
Yeah, I think. I don't know. Adam told me.
Adam, Camelot, yeah? Camelot.
Well, Oakwood last.
Oakwood, lads. It's not from South Shields, which is the rumour. It's like a research lab in there. It looks awesome. We don't know about filming on the ride. We're hoping you can.
I film on every other ghost train in the country, so I would assume so that you can. The only one you can't do is Darren Brown's.
Yeah,
For obvious reasons.
because it's crap.
Yeah. Yeah.
The thing is, people say it's crap. I just think it's what's the word?
Crap.
Misunderstood. I quite like it.
It's not a ghost train, really, is it? It's
No,
more of a
but it's
VR ride.
Darren Brown's ghost
Get
train.
rid of the VR and it'll be alright.
Yeah, but the VR, you haven't done it, have you?
I've done it! I queued 3.5 hours for
The
it.
VR's 80% of the ride.
I know.
Yeah, well, you take them off, there's nothing. There's nothing in there, so...
They used to run along and touch your legs.
You like that, though?
Well, yeah, that's the only reason I did it.
Yeah. You knew it was men
But you
that...
can't do that now because of COVID.
Why?
Can't touch people in ghost trains, sorry.
Oh yeah, that's unacceptable.
Look
That.
at the patient list as well. Look at the remarks.
Oh yeah.
Aggressive behaviour patterns, approach with caution, heavy blood loss.
Oh, I love the audio.
Under assessment, signs of memory loss. That's a good little touch, that isn't it? It's all
I
about
love
them
the audio
tiny,
as well.
It's all about them tiny little. It's like static radio.
Here we go.
The debut of Hayling Island's brand new ghost train, Destination
Z or Zed.
S.
Z, it's Z if you're American, Z if you're normal.
Zed.
If you're normal.
Yeah.
Zed.
Americans, we don't like it.
It's lights out time.
Here we go.
Quite excited, you know. I've never been this excited for a ghost train.
I am.
Because I've never got on a ghost train where it's an actual train.
I'm crapping myself. You know. So there you go.
Yeah, we are actually on a train with a driver.
And people with guns.
Yeah,
It's quite
yeah.
scary.
The brake man's on the ride.
You sure you want to do this, guys?
Yes.
Move them out! Right, ladies and gentlemen, the tour is about to begin. Off we go.
Here we go for the tour, boys.
Only one side's got glass on it too, that side hasn't. So we know that it's going to cross it in the toilet there.
As you can see, we use state-of-the-art technology. Off we go. Ladies and gentlemen, you are entering a restricted area. You're only doing is to keep moving! Keep moving! It's all going down! Move! Move! Move!
Why are they coming down?
David!
Well, we've just come out the new Destination Z ghost train. Yeah, that was brilliant.
Excellent, absolutely brilliant.
When you get to the end and they start counting down,
Yeah.
you think, what's going to happen? What's going to happen here? Then all of a sudden everything just goes mental. It's very
so
unique.
good.
Very unique, that train, 100%, isn't it? There's nothing else like it in the country.
I got to be honest, I think it's one of the best ghost trains in the country.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
We
And
all know they're just going to improve.
because there's a driver, they kind of stop it and start it in places, which I
And
really like.
It's not actually fully finished yet, is it?
No.
They've still got more things to
Yeah.
put in there, so
Well,
once...
Thing is, because they're first time on it, we didn't know where all the effects was, because there was stuff behind me and stuff in front of me, so I need to try and know where they are so I can capture it all on camera.
Certainly not for little kids.
No, and there's live actors in there, which I don't think they'll be in all year round, but
I think you would have
Amazing.
to have them on busy weekends.
Yeah.
So obviously if they're open during the season for busy weekends, I'd imagine they would be in there.
Yeah.
But maybe on a weeknight where the park's quiet, if they're open for a week, I don't know. Then maybe
well,
not.
yeah, they are in the summer holidays.
But that
serves well just as a ghost train.
Yeah, that's a top-notch ghost train, and they should be very proud of that.
I'm really impressed. Right, we got our wristbands on now.
I don't think Libby would enjoy that.
No, it's definitely not for little ones. It's not for little ones, but it's
I loved it.
what the UK needed. It's more like a dark ride in a ghost train, I'd say. Yeah, agree?
Yeah.
More of a dark ride, but with zombie themed. I think it's incredible. I think it's incredible.
I was a bit worried about the throughputs when we saw the actual cars.
Yeah.
They're not that big.
No.
But because the ride itself isn't too long,
Yeah.
I think you'll be able to get people through
Yeah.
a bit quicker.
Throughputs and facades, what are we? Theme park worldwide.
Hashtag gifted.
Right, why can we jump on a ride quick? We've got a couple of mazes here tonight as well, but we'll probably wait for them to get dark, so we might do a couple of rides. The roller coaster.
Dodgems?
I'm having a fag.
Yeah, fag.
Fag.
I'm having a sugar.
I just want to go on the ghost train again. I think it's incredible.
That was good.
Really, really good.
I mean, it was good.
Food.
It's got
You got to send me.
Got wristbands.
Come on.
Calm
behave
yourself.
Wristbands.
I don't care about the coaster. We're here for the Halloween. You can do the coaster every single weekend, Dave. You live 20 minutes up the road.
Play for it. Be better in the dark, wouldn't it? Anyway.
Yeah. Well, if you want. We've got
Miami
loads
there,
of rides. I know, I can hear it.
Don't point.
We've got Miami though.
Don't point.
Well, if you want.
Here we go then. Obviously, their brand new ride for next year is the old Twist and Joust from Gulliver's. So this will be in place next year. New roller coaster.
Oh, I look forward to
You've
that.
very cold there, son.
It is. I am.
Get in the
Actually.
queue.
I am rather chilly around the old diddly bits.
Obviously, you queue up here, come in, you get your wristband. Yeah, got another train for the ghost train.
Onto it.
Yeah.
There's more room.
Yeah.
Another train on.
They actually bought the track system. Was it from? It was from Oakwood last, wasn't it? And they just basically added theming and props, and the animatronics are amazing. Did you see the screen with all the like zombies, like The Walking Dead, wasn't it?
Really good.
I'm so impressed. So impressed.
One of the best ghost trains in the UK. 1,000,000,000%. That's really pleased me. I'm very happy. There are toilets on the park, aren't there?
I'm doing the log flume.
You're doing the log flume? I'll probably watch you on that. It's too cold for a log
Yeah,
flume.
it's too cold for the log flume.
Keep your distance, you two.
We're in a bubble.
There is no such thing as bubbles.
There is, I'll show you.
I've seen your bubbles, mate. I know what yours. First time I've ever been on this with you.
Yes, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, never rode this one with you. I've rode it before, obviously, but not with you.
Excited.
So it'll be interesting.
So I don't normally do Halloween events, do you?
No, I don't mind Halloween events. I don't normally do.
You just don't want to end up roundhouse with somebody in a maze.
Yeah, I got pretty fast reflexes. And
Got like cat-like reflexes.
just be like, yeah, but I don't think I'll roundhouse anyone tonight.
One thing you do get down at Funland is beautiful coastline views. Yeah, because we're on the seafront, it does get windy down here, but you got some lovely views of the sea there. You fancy a quick dip?
No, I'll tell you, I can't feel my ears. I can't feel my ears, Dave. I'm in.
You're in?
I'm in.
Here we go then. Sun cold.
So all balaclava or something.
Not that bad.
You're joking, in you? I might ask that security bloke in the train.
Balaclava.
Have his balaclava.
Oh! Connor's
Connor's contemplating Neptune's Fury.
the seashells.
You going on the Neptune's Fury then?
What's he on about? What?
Neptune's Fury, yeah?
He ain't gonna do it, is he? It spins, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, he said he's going on it, look. Yeah, do that.
Yeah, you're going on. What? You are? He's gonna do it? Bloody hell.
No, he ain't. Look at his face. It's like, it's a juvenile. What's wrong with you?
Simon's gonna get out and spin it. He's gonna walk it.
Ready?
Yes, mate.
Get
There
on
you
Miami.
go. Miami.
I know!
Ah, that's all he said to me. We're here for Halloween. We don't want to do no rides.
Oh, it's cold up here, Dave.
We're here for Halloween. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Bloody hell. Oh. It does. Oh, it's all right. It's not that bad. It's
You're
not.
joking,
It's
yeah?
not. Oh! Famous last words. I've only ever done this with kids. It's been crushed by a bloody adult. Here we go. Look, it's my turn. Oh! It is a fun coaster though. Windy.
It's cool. It's just a basher, isn't it?
It is. It is.
Gonna bash you up, sunshine.
Wild masters are meant to be bashers. Whoa! Oh!
Oh, yeah.
And another one, sorry.
Oh, fractured ribs. Oh, no, what's this?
Oh, they ain't too bad, are they?
Oh, God, my ribs.
That was brilliant.
Oh. That, you know, I crossed you on the twist last night. That's 20 times worse than that. It was good fun.
Beautiful.
Got absolutely battered.
Oh, I love that. Really enjoyed it. Right, seatbelt off. Oh! How was it?
That, it looked horrendous.
Good!
Looked really rough.
No!
All I heard, so I was stood down here.
Yeah.
And all I could hear while you guys were going around was, oh! Ah! Oh! Ah!
Actually, you kept touching me.
Rubbish. We were
No,
singing,
I'm
hey, baby.
Ooh! Right, yeah. Hats on now. It's definitely chilly tonight. We are at the back end of October.
Back end season.
Back end season. You know what that means? A lot of back end action.
And actually, Connor is debating on that. I told him there is no force in it whatsoever, and there really isn't.
Really, really good ride on the classic Mine Train coaster. We've done that one loads, but always good to come and get on it. So at least we've done a ride tonight. I know tonight's like mainly about Halloween. It is, but we wanted to get a ride in at least.
Both of us have gone, it's too cold for that, Dave.
Yeah, I am not going. If you want to do
do
Flume of Doom, you do Flume of Doom alone.
I saw a little girl come off that and she was absolutely soaked.
It does get you soaked.
Yeah,
I think.
and it's freezing, Dave. You'll get hypothermia.
Well, good.
And
Get on
cholera.
And cholera.
Where's Mark?
Coles.
Is he at Coles?
Is it Coles?
Shout out, Mark.
Nationwide Amusements. Mark, how you we saw you today.
Coles, mate.
We was at Coles. Get over and have a look on his website.
Guess where he is after Coles?
The other Coles.
Clarence Beer.
No, he's not. I know where he's going after Coles. He's already told me.
Where?
He's going to what's that strip club called?
Stringfellows.
No, not Stringfellows. Oh God, for your eyes only. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. Yeah, he's going there.
that one.
Named after you, Dave.
Oh, just do yours first.
Freak show.
And then they're £1 each after, aren't they?
Yeah, and it does go to our charity.
Oh, I love that. Awesome stuff.
Yeah.
Here we go, after you boys. Actually, I'm going to go first. I've got the camera.
Yeah, you go on then.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, I love that. He's the flasher.
It's me in the morning. Get out. Bloody Dave is like, easy, Kristen.
Oh, here we go. Oh, you.
Oh my God, he's got. This is children.
Put that throttle down.
Oh, I love that.
See some people offended by that.
That is cool. Look at that.
What's up? Are you chicken? That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool.
That is really cool.
Like that. on in, Dave.
Oh, oh my god! Make me jump.
Oh, make me jump, Dave.
This is brilliant.
Oh!
Getting candy floss.
Oh, Dave! Get him! Get him!
I wish Brett's got that. Oh, you've got to put her hand in.
I don't want it.
I don't like glory holes. Oh!
Knock in the box.
Oh!
What is it?
Put your hand in, Simon.
Because I've got my gloves on.
Oh, it's brilliant.
Daz, you give me it.
Oh! That's brilliant. Oh, look at the eyes. Oh, I love that. Freaking me out. Look at let me out. Oh, there's two of them. Hi. Oh wow, it's awesome. I like that.
Best donuts in the south.
The best, yes, the best donuts.
How many tokens?
Two.
Two donuts.
You gotta get your donuts here. They're the best.
Wait, get.
There we go. Look.
Bring that.
Brilliant stuff. Right, our first maze walkthrough. More of a walkthrough than a maze, but it did have actors in it. Obviously clown based. What's it called? Freak show, wasn't it? So what do you reckon?
That's his face, man.
Don't know.
Sorry, mate.
Freak show. Simon
Sorry.
should have been in there. But no, really, really good. Some of the animatronics in there are really good. The actors were good. Creepy.
Bit out of place with
Yeah.
the size of the...
Oh, we're not on about that, we're on about the film.
No, we're on about the film Freak Show.
That maze through.
Maze through.
Right.
Right.
Hashtag maze through. No, that walkthrough was very much Pennywise meet Georgie. Georgie meet Pennywise.
Georgie.
It was.
Georgie
Georgie.
meet Pennywise.
Georgie.
Pennywise meet Georgie.
It was very good. I think that one's more family
Yeah.
than the other one's
Yeah.
a bit more...
Now, someone, I didn't want to bring this up, but someone did touch my,
I didn't...
Shoulder.
No.
Oh, that wasn't me then.
But it's my own fault because I got it out in there.
Oh, you did you?
Yeah,
Well, I
so-
wanted to.
Well, I
What?
thought I'd take the pledge.
I just thought it was too cold. and
So
it might
some
be
people like
shriveled.
Yeah,
clowns,
but mine
some people
shriveled
don't
all the
like
time.
clowns. So
No, I get it's
know.
like a you just get it out in front
no,
of clowns.
honest thoughts. It's nice.
No, that was
little
good.
Family maze.
A nice little walkthrough
Walk-
in there.
sorry,
it's not,
yeah.
yes, I wouldn't consider it a maze. It's more of a walkthrough.
Yeah.
But it's very
Some
good
great
in there.
animatronics.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Wicked
There's a lot of Pennywise actors.
There might be a few bits in there that might
scare the little ones.
Well,
I
not just the
suppose.
little ones, but there might be some adults
Yeah.
that are offended by
Yeah.
A lot of adults don't like clowns,
Yeah.
do they?
Well, it's
No.
like that, they're like the ones that are torturing the little children sort of
Yeah.
bit.
I like
There might be
speaking-
people that go, oh my god,
Yeah.
that's just not
Yeah.
acceptable.
I mean, it will-
I wonder who that would be.
Yeah.
I've actually got some
Yeah.
tips on what to do with my kids when they play up.
Yeah, there you go. I'm going to
What,
stick
put
mine
them
in
in
the
there?
cage.
Yeah, well, no, hang them upside down.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. I think
Uh,
Belle's too heavy for me to do that though.
She'd hang you upside down.
She would. She'd beat hell out of me. Right.
Food!
We've come to Slothy Vlog for your parenting tips.
Wimpy.
Yeah, always.
Wimpy.
What are you calling me?
Wimpy. Right, Wimpy.
Come on.
More like
Burger.
Blimpy.
But yeah, not too busy. They haven't oversold the event. This is really, really nice. It's quite quiet around here, and we've got one more maze to do, which is over here.
Food and then we.
And then
Screaming Hills.
Stephen Hills.
Stephen Hills.
Screaming Hills.
Nice film there, mate.
It's not a Wimpy.
Is it not?
No,
Used to be.
It's a Diane.
Diane.
I
Who's the
swear
what?
it used
It was a Wimpy
Diane.
a couple of years ago.
Diane.
it?
Diane.
What, Dirty Diane?
Dirty Diane.
Yeah, Michael Jackson's probably one of
Got
these
myself a nice
Oh God, could you imagine that?
quarter pounder meal with cheese. Food review, mate.
What?
Food review.
Food review.
Quick, are we doing a food review?
No.
No.
No?
No?
No, I'm not doing a food review, David.
I'm quite hungry, I don't know about you.
I'm
boys.
starving,
Hey.
mate.
Can eat a horse.
Do you remember that time someone
Yeah,
else
kebab
put their receipt on the camera and then their missus went, "Don't put that on camera, your card details might be on there."
Yeah.
It's really funny. I can't, it's recording.
Hang on, I'll tell you after this.
Wally's.
Beep! Connor. So Abbott needs this. I might just take it, yeah, I'll take it to him. Do you think I'll get it out without him noticing?
No. No, you're definitely going to get completely and utterly run over by someone's car.
Just saying to Connor, it feels really, really nice to do something different, like not a fair. Really nice, I'm really enjoying it. It's a Halloween event. I really like that maze. So we've got one more maze, which is Stephen Hills. No, Screaming Hills.
Screaming Hills by Stephen Hills.
Screaming Hills by Miami Trip 3 in there. Miami Trip 3's in there. But no, really feels great to do something. Oh yeah, I'll get that in a minute. You can never escape B-Coles, not even when you come to Funland, Hayling Island. They're everywhere. Yeah, it feels really, really good to just do something different on the channel. Really enjoy spending an evening with Si and Connor. When's the last time we went freeway or trio, threesome? What's the right word? When's the last time we all teamed up? What's the right word?
When was the last time there was so much testosterone on your YouTube channel?
Yeah,
that everyone else has to-
3 hunky blokes, because Cooper doesn't count.
No, well he's got boobs.
We haven't seen each other in that capacity for a long time. Yeah, always good.
Well, I've been to Hull since then,
Oh yeah,
so you
I
know.
couldn't make it. I missed much.
Yes, it was really good.
Luckily, I've seen 50,000 vlogs. So
I olayed.
it's like I was there.
You might as well have been. Everyone
Olay!
else was. Olay. I olayed. Venom's out there.
B. Collinson's Ferris wheel.
Is it a Ferris wheel?
I don't know. I hope it is, because I'm going to look stupid if it's not.
I mean, it might be a Ferris wheel, but
Might be a rocker plane, I don't know.
might be.
Right.
It's a bit wide. Oh my god, they're well hot.
Biggest queue in the park.
What, for the toilet?
Lou review of the week.
Size Lou review of the week.
An unusual one because obviously they're stationary toilets.
Should be clean
What,
then.
they sell pencils in there?
They don't sell pencils in there.
They've got a museum on it.
Ruler. There's a reason for the ruler.
There's a ruler. Oh,
Yeah.
penis joke.
Yeah, we can all have a little.
Any of those trick or treat holes in the
little
cubicles.
measure.
There was no glory holes.
It's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah,
Especially
well,
in this sort
What
of
did you
park.
get in your hole? Did you do the hole in the maze?
Yeah,
What did you get in there?
Orion.
A what?
Orion.
I had like spliced up pumpkin.
An Orion.
An Orion.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you
That's
said-
an old Ford car. Yeah.
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 Not what I mean at all.
No, not at all.
Don't cut that.
Left cheek. Now, I was going to say they're nice and clean. They're fine. Absolutely great. Queue to get in there because there's a lot of people here, but that's fine. I didn't wet myself, so my Pampers is still dry. And yeah, so I'm pleased with that.
10 a minute, isn't it?
It's going to be a 10. It's going to be a 10. It's going to be a 10, mate. 10 out of 10. Enjoy. Salt.
I don't think you got any. Oh, it's on the counter. On the other side. Snacks.
Don't go and get salt. That's me done for the week.
For the week. You've done, isn't it? That's the only thing I've eaten today, so.
Train.
Enjoyed that.
Yeah, you ate mine too. Still waiting on some actual food. Can't believe you polished 2 of them off, Dave. Can you believe that?
Disgraceful, isn't it?
2 meals
believe
he's
it.
had.
You just ordered 4 more. Why?
Yes.
Good man.
Did you wipe?
Yeah.
I don't believe that you wiped. Smell it now, can't you?
Right, you're going to have that on your shoulder all night.
Nice.
Cold.
Chill factor. Chill factor. It's the wind chill, boy.
Right, we're going to queue up for Stephen Hills.
Stephen Hills.
Screaming Hills. Wait, what do you think I said?
Stephen Hills.
No, Screaming Hills.
That's in Salisbury.
Screaming Hills.
Where's
Stephen
Miami
Hills.
Trip 3?
In Screaming Hills.
Down
Queue
here.
on this one.
Yeah. Right, we're now queuing up for Screaming Hills, which is the second maze, or I think this is more of a maze than the first one. The first one was like a walkthrough, and this is more of your generic maze. I think live actors. It looks pretty good actually. It's pretty good.
Dumbo's from Liseberg, getting moved down there, ready for the new coaster to be set up here. So it's good to see a park like this putting the investment in.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And I'm excited to see where it's going to go.
I can imagine actually that it's not an easy build or pull down. It's quite a big.
It's a permanent bit of kit.
Yeah,
it's not on a trailer.
No, it's permanent kit. Yeah.
Kind of like we were saying in there, it'd be easy just to play a place like this, not
just
to bother with Halloween.
Yeah. But it's nice they put this event on, you know, and especially with the special guest Stephen Hills to come down and put a maze on, supporting them. It's nice that they put an event on like this. I think more parks need to do Halloween events. We need to make Halloween.
There's a market for it.
Yeah, I prefer Halloween to Christmas. So I think more places should do Halloween events. Because I think somewhere like this doing a Halloween event is ace. You know what I mean?
Agree?
Totally, 100%. I think South Sea should maybe follow suit next year.
There's not a lot of space there, though, is there?
Well, they could move one of the arcades out.
Jordan could start lumping those machines out, couldn't he?
Yeah, Jordan's got the muscles, isn't he? So, you know, he'd be able to move the machines out, make a maze.
Here we go then. Screaming Hills Asylum. Screaming Hills Asylum.
Just fruity, yeah?
There we go then. Oh, I can hear screaming. Can't see anything. Okay. Hi. Service. Oh god. Oh, I bet he jumps on. Oh, hang on. Hi. Christ. Christ! Made me jump! I thought you were never so friendly to start off with. Oh god, what's this? Hang in, man. Oh, there's head tickler there, Connor. Bloody. Oh, head tickler. What's in there? What's in there? Oh. Oh my god. Who said? I can't see. Oh Christ! Maybe jump. There's something in there. Oh! There is as well. He's got their torch on. Oh, he's coming out.
No.
Oh my god! Should have known.
Should have known, Dave, should have known.
Oh, he's looking at me. He can't see us, it's too dark. There we go, that's better. Oh shit! In there, yeah? Right, what's in there? Oh my god! That's a bit graphic, isn't it? Body bag, body bag. Want a body bag?
Got red on it.
Oh, look at that. He's got red on him. Shaun of the Dead shout.
Wait, tell me it's gonna be dripping.
Oh, spongy floor. Oh, it's a spongy floor there. Oh Christ! I don't know where we going. Which way? Hi. Oh, someone just touched me leg. It's unacceptable. Hang on. Oh Christ! Made me jump. It's unacceptable. So just brushed past my leg. Oh! I just touched something! I'm sorry. Is there someone there? I think it's someone. I can't see. Shut the way. Hi. Oh! Is that a real person or a statue? Oh, yeah! Okay, fair enough. Oh! It's long, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, fear flaps.
Fear flaps.
Alright, yeah, fear flaps. Head ticklers. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh bloody hell! Run away! What do you reckon?
Cracking.
Good
Very
effort
good.
from all involved on that one.
I really recommend people come down for that.
Yeah.
Dave's
perfect.
like acting all hard just then off camera,
Yeah.
wasn't he? He absolutely pooed himself.
Didn't get anything from that. I wasn't scared at all.
Did you hear him screaming when we were in there?
Yeah.
So shut up, Dave.
I mean, ignore the urine that he's
I
covered in.
know. Look at it.
Alright.
Covered in it.
Right, bear in mind, you go to Thorpe Park, yeah?
Yeah.
You pay a tenner for one maze, yeah?
Yeah.
We pay what, 13 quid?
Yeah,
The
it's only
entire
a pound.
thing.
It's a pound if you want to go
And
back in.
I got more out of there than I did at Tully's last night.
That's incredible.
And
That's props to the park.
thing is with there, is they get in your face, they scream, they get up close and personal. There's loads of actors in there. There's a good 10, 12 actors roaming in there.
Yeah.
And then the finale where the little, I don't know what.
Dwarf. No, you can't say that.
I don't know what. Can you?
Can you?
All right, let's just say the small person.
Yeah, I
when
don't
they
think you
jump
can say
out
that.
at you, I don't know what you can say. What's politically correct?
Yeah.
You're either a midget or a dwarf.
That person jumped out, and then that got me.
That really scared me.
The two twins walking up to
Screaming.
us, and
Yeah,
then as soon as
screaming,
they got
literally
right
in
to
your
you,
face.
screamed right in his face.
And that's
he soiled his cackers.
He did.
Soiled
And
his
he
cackers.
said- he
Yeah,
said-
because they were really nice. They're like, I thought they were going to say hello.
Oh, Dave,
They started screaming.
all women turn out nice at the beginning.
Yeah, you
And then it's
know
just-
that, right?
I think that's worth the
Yeah,
money
right.
alone, that one. The rides are a bonus.
Quid.
Yeah.
I might go back in for a
I
quid.
think that's good. For a
I reckon we should go in for a quid.
If you go in there with, for a pound, that's decent.
And all money
The other
goes
one
to
was
charity
good.
as well.
Yeah, the other one was good. That's good. That's brilliant.
That's brilliant. Yeah,
Good
I
little
really
maze
like that.
I reckon they can expand on that. Have two of them in a walkthrough. That'd be amazing.
You just need the space, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, I think they've
Even
done
get a marquee up,
really
marquee.
good job.
Yeah.
I think they've done an excellent job.
Oh, so I'm really impressed.
Yeah, me
With
too.
that, like I said, I went to Tully's Shocktober yesterday, and I got more scares in there than I did in all 9 mazes at Tully's.
You with that woman be able to go, this is not for babies!
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
take your baby in then, you silly cow. I'm
I heard loads of kids saying,
Does
"Don't
that.
kill me!"
She's got a baby.
She's got a tiny little baby on her. Like,
This is
the husband was holding the baby,
Yeah, at one
walking
point-
through, and she's like, "This isn't for babies. Why have you got your kid in here in the first place?"
Yeah, I didn't know at one
Does that
point.
look like it's for babies?
They made him jump and she dropped the baby. Head down.
It's a good job there was foam there on the floor.
Yeah, on the
I tell you,
foam,
It bounced
obviously.
back up straight in his arms.
We didn't mention that. There was a big section in there where there was foam on the floor, so that was quite a good little effect.
Because you're watching where you're walking and you're not
exactly.
paying attention to
And
the actors.
Considering the space that they've got, I think they've done really well with that
they
one.
have as well.
I think that's something to be proud of.
Definitely.
Brilliant.
Top notch.
Absolutely brilliant.
Best spook house I've done in my life. No, I loved it. I think it was good. I thought it was
So
brilliant.
good. Really impressed.
Very long, a lot of scares in there.
Well worth.
Head ticklers.
Head ticklers
Fear
and
flaps.
fear flaps.
Well worth another go, I reckon.
Oh
later on.
yeah.
And obviously
Totally.
it all goes to charity. If you go back through the mazes, you pay £1 and it goes to charity. So.
Why wouldn't you do it again?
Exactly.
And the throughputs are good.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the queue's got quite small. Should we do it again?
Yeah, well now.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on then.
I love
you
doing
pay on the
a
door?
pattern there.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Alright,
again.
straight back in. I won't film this one, but I'm going back in. Right, run away! Run away! Run away!
No, those girls.
Those twins, and there's 3 of them on me in sight at one point.
She comes in right to my ear and she's like, "Are you scared?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I am a bit."
Yeah.
She's like, "Then run." I'm
It's
like,
really good.
Even Connor's like jumping.
I was
out.
pushing Simon first.
He was pushing me.
Connor was ran off. Connor was
legging it.
He's legged it.
He was like, "Go away, go away." Stab like.
I don't appreciate what happened in there.
What?
I was just pushed to all of the actors.
Just legged.
Like, you deal with them.
Oh no, it's horrible.
Oh, honestly, so impressed with this little event. Honestly, like, really good. Where's Si? Still in there?
Yeah, it's still in there, sorry. Mentally, he's still in
Mentally,
there.
I'm going to be in there for a long time. I think that's quite
so good.
That honestly, unbelievable. Don't take your little kids in there. For Christ's sake.
There's kids running in there, running out the entrance in there.
It's not for kids.
No, it's not for kids. That's very good. Very good. I loved it.
Yeah.
That's a solid 9 out of 10.
When that's not there, all the props that are in there, there's a ghost train sat.
Yeah.
So they can go straight in there.
Yeah.
There we go.
From that beautiful from this beautiful
The donut queen herself.
Donut.
There we go. Donuts.
Donuts.
Nice,
Dave's favourite place.
Thank you.
And you know he's going to eat them all because he's a big fat blob.
Anyone else want donut?
I'm done. No, I'm all
Want a
right.
donut?
That's what you have for dinner, breakfast, lunch.
Full up. We'll have some. We'll have it.
Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Come when you're in Hayling, come down, visit the donut bar and get gifts and sweets.
Yes.
There we go. 2 tokens, these are.
2 tokens. Everyone's got to say the 2 tokens.
It's got hot chocolate with lots of cream and marshmallows, but he's had that bit already.
Yeah. Gone.
Got Dodgems.
Super duper duper duper.
I like these ones with all the graffiti.
Put your hands on your tits.
Ready? Do it.
I don't know the dance.
Now we are queuing up. We're queuing up for the super duper Dodgins now site. We are going to jump on the Miami, and I'm getting dared to do the log flume.
He's doing it on his own.
I will do it. I will do it.
I don't know why.
To prove a point that I'm hard. I've got big bollocks, cojones. I'm not the one running from 2 twins.
Yes, you was.
I was not.
Yes, you was.
You never went out of the way to get out.
You sure?
You put your
push a 4-year-old straight on his face.
He slipped.
And
slipped.
then needs to link in my arm. He's bloody holding my arm. You know, scared out of his brains. Absolute.
And then you had 4 changes of trousers.
It's all lies. It's all lies.
It's true.
No.
It's true. He's got another 2 pairs of trousers left.
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, it's been this first ride I've got on. Second ride we've done.
What was the one we did before? What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Second ride of the night.
Yeah. So you've done a ghost train, haven't you? Yeah. Yeah, but it's all about Halloween, dude.
Yeah. So stop nicking my stuff. My stuff. Do not know. Stop nicking my stuff. No. Stop nicking my stuff.
We go then to see the Dodgems. Excited for this. Ninja cars. Simon's over there. Yeah, we've got Ninja cars, your favourite. It's going to be absolutely brutal in here. Oh, it's a full track. I'm stuck already. Not a good start, is it? Oh, I'm stuck. Here you go, off the wall. Oh Christ, there's so many cars on here, it's unreal. It's just a one big pile up. Oh, see? Absolute brutal. There's Simon. Fancy bumping into you. Get it? Bumping into you?
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know what's going on here. People just seem to be stopping around the track. Well, I'm going to get squashed here, aren't I? Oh! Here we go. Bloody hell. Fancy bumping into you like I stole it off the wall. Look at all this space. Come over here. No cars over here. Don't know what they're all over there for. Oh, brutal. Oh, here he is. There he is. Got out. Oh. Dead man.
I'm furious.
Why? Oh, look at that sunshine. Oh. Why is it looking at everyone like driving in convoy? Oh. Oh, right at the backside. Simon! Everyone seems to be following each other around in like one big group. There's so much empty track. Here we go then. Where's Connor? He's down there. Look. Oh! Did down. Oh! Right. Going down. Oh, that is a short cycle.
Bit bright that light, isn't it?
It is. Hey, Ryan's Photo Services.
I do charge. I've been told.
Tenner.
That's quite cheap. Connor charges 15.
For what? Services. Photo
Services rent what? Photos? Oh, sorry, I didn't realise you were on about photos.
Right, arms up. Here we go. Miami site.
Miami. I'm not Miami size.
Miami. Oh, here comes the lap. Breathe in, breathe in. Yeah, this is the Extreme Miami. Have you ever done this one? You haven't yet? Yeah. That's so bright, that light. Shining off my head.
I'm not scared at all.
I'm not.
I'm just thinking Dave's a dick.
Oh, Christ, she's whoa. Bloody hell, what's going on? Oh. What am I doing? Oh, God. I was just watching it off ride and in about 5 minutes, bloody cycle. That's quick, isn't it, actually? Oh, it's quick. Oh, it's quick. Tell you.
Yeah, it's quite quick.
That's so it bloody blind you when you come down.
Oh, yeah, burn your face off.
Oh Christ! It's so bright, that light. It's like a heat lamp.
That's what I like about it.
Get a bit of warmth as you come through.
Bloody wall.
Oh God!
Ready?
like a little toad. Oh, he's crouched.
Oh Christ. Whee! Oh, don't do that.
Hey, you love it when it rocks.
Bloody hate my abbeys.
Rocking away.
Don't know why.
Rocking and tugging. Tugging and rocking. David loves a good tug.
Oh God. Here we go. Oh God. Oh God. That's shift though, isn't it? Oh, I'm getting air tight. Oh, that's enough of it. Oh Christ. Oh. It's a good cycle, isn't it? Oh.
Yeah, it's a long one, isn't it?
I'm not joking, we were on the Miami about 10 minutes. I had to turn the camera off. Just too long. No need, my mate Ryan was running it and he left us on there. How long were we on that Miami? 10 minutes? 15 minutes? About an hour?
You two are exaggerating this again, just like both of you do with your penises, alright? That was 4.5 minutes.
Yeah, alright, okay,
Yeah.
I lie about my penis. It's not really 6 inches.
It felt like a lifetime on that Miami.
Say these things.
It felt like a lifetime, but
Scares women
it was good, I enjoyed it. Well, I lie again, I didn't enjoy it, but you know, it's what it is, it's Miami. What do you reckon, boys?
Don't know. Just need the toilet, to be honest.
You always need the toilet.
So?
You're like a woman.
I
Like a camel.
Just do what other women do and plug it up.
I'm plugging my penis up.
Plug it up.
Put a little.
Put an elastic band around the end of
No,
it.
that doesn't work. I've tried it. I was thinking a ball bearing might just slip in there
In
nicely.
the top. Let's just recuperate, yeah? You both had a traumatic experience just now.
The girls in the ways.
Yeah.
Should we do the maze again?
I don't mind doing the maze.
I want to do the ghost train, I'll be honest.
Yeah. Cue then.
It's a queue though, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean,
It's a big queue. I mean, fair play to them. They're busy, aren't they?
yeah.
Which is good. It's good to see.
Let's get some nachos.
Oh God, you do food.
It's constant with you, isn't it?
God.
God.
about it.
I've got donuts in my bag still.
You got
Saving them.
I genuinely can't believe you've eaten. I mean, she gave you a bag of 10 donuts.
I have one.
You've eaten 8.
I have one.
Can you believe that?
I know.
She's eaten 8 donuts.
I know.
Have one.
One on camera, but the rest.
No wonder you got diabetes type 3. I'm all up for like getting prizes in an arcade. Not sure I'd want a toaster. There's a deep fat fryer up there. There's a blender. You can get a kettle.
What make is it?
This Russell Hobbs.
Oh, yeah.
Not Stephen Hills.
No, it's not Cookworks.
It's not Stephen Hills.
No cheap stuff.
No cheap stuff. Got Russell Hobbs iron there as well. There's a toaster. It's an ice cream maker.
Oh!
Yeah, an ice cream maker. Look, you got a cock pot. Oh, crook pot.
Oh.
Sorry everyone.
Crumb pot.
Crumb pot. You got little Avengers mugs there.
Oh, shelf there.
You're awful at this.
I done it again.
How have you done that twice? Machine's broken.
It's broken.
Machine's
Bloody
broken.
broken.
That's what it is. Who put that shelf there?
I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, I don't know where am I going, Connor.
Oh, you're just playing with it now. What are you doing? No, you're terrible at this. Awful. How many ghosts do you get?
I don't know, loads. 5 more, I think.
5?
Yeah, so I can afford to waste a few. I've got that, haven't I?
No,
Fixed.
it is fixed.
I want a pink one, not for me, for Libby.
Definitely for you.
Oh, I see it, innit?
No.
The song was really...
wobbling a lot,
the
isn't it?
song's annoying me.
I don't know, I can't hear it. Go on, Dave. Believe in you, mate. No. You're just hitting everything now. How many goes have you got?
2 more.
2 more.
I'm gonna get it.
I don't think you are. I've got little to no confidence in this. No. Oh. As if he's done it.
Confidence is key. Yes.
You don't need that other go now, do you?
Another one now. I think it got stuck in it.
No, that's it.
Libby will be happy with that.
Well done, Dave. Proud of you,
They
mate.
turn him inside out.
It's the same colour on both sides.
Yeah,
What's the point?
disappointed. I want another
Is
one.
one angry and one's happy?
Can I exchange it? I think so, yeah.
Happy,
Yeah.
angry. Ah, there you go. That's me, that one. That's me. That. I'll spin it again. £1. In there.
Enough for a toaster.
That was quick, wasn't it?
Toaster?
Probably not enough. Well, I want a toaster. Yeah.
You can only afford a...
I want a toaster. I've only got 145 tickets, and it's about 800.
You better get playing then.
I bet, yeah. I mean, that was £3 in that for 145.
You might have to go to Argos to get one.
Yeah.
Cheaper.
But go to Argos, spend a tenner on a toaster, or get yourselves down to Hayling Island and get a toaster.
Right,
What?
right, that's it for us. It's cold. We've had a really, really good night here.
It's like a blooming wind tunnel in
It's
here.
blowing a bloody hoolie in here as well, isn't it?
My hair's going all over the place.
I've enjoyed it. We had a great night here. Really recommend the
Oh, my hair, that maid scared the hell out of me. Look at
That's
that.
a ghost trainer.
Really
That was. Ghost train just made me go, great.
Really good night, eh?
Really recommend this event.
It's been more Halloween focused.
Yeah, yeah.
It's what you want this time of year.
I've had a
With
really,
face
really
like
good
that.
time.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So,
Right, so see you later.
beautiful.
See you later, Mush.
Halloweeny.
So-
What was your favourite? You're shit at wrapping vlogs
He is,
up.
I just want to go.
What's your favourite part of the night?
Definitely the ghost train. I love the ghost train. Actually, I don't know. The maze is really good. Highlight. What do you reckon?
Maze and ghost
Oh,
train.
that one doesn't make you look old,
None of them.
Fat.
does it? The other one makes you look well old.
Yeah.
Old and fat.
Yeah.
It's been a good. I've loved it all. I loved the whole event.
False.
It's been like very different than the Funfair vlog, but I hope you've enjoyed it.
Back to you. Do you want a punch in the bollocks?
Right, them two are squabbling, so.
It's a good job we don't vlog no more, I'll tell you that now. Because I'll be there, I'll be in there all the time. beating
Old
the shit
fat
out of him.
person talking.
Old. Listen to old. Look at it. Blockhead.
Where's Mark?
Mark, is it Coles, isn't it?
Bum cheek.
Right.
Bum cheek.
Bum cheek. Get your left bum
Get
cheek
your
up.
left bum cheek over me bit.
Bye. Is it bye for now? Bye for now.
Bye for now. Bye for now.
Morning, mate.
Yeah.
Well,